Hey guys, it's Shalene. Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be doing a little makeup tutorial, but it's like my everyday makeup routine. So I'll be like showing you what I use and stuff, but it'll be my everyday look. So let's get on with the video. So the first thing I obviously have to do is take off my glasses, because it'll be hard to do all the eye stuff with glasses on. So. And then usually the first thing I do is I'll brush out my brows with this e.l.f. Double-sided brow pencil and spoolie. I don't actually use the crayon side, and you'll see why later, but I usually just brush out my brows. Okay, so now that they are all combed, I will move on to the next step. And because I don't wear foundation or concealer, I don't really have like a primer or anything. I usually just moisturize my face, but that's already been done. So I'll go in with my eyeshadow brush. Now this was part of a set. This is just your standard eyeshadow brush. And I have 3 palettes that I can choose from. And I actually think I'm going to go with my Smashbox Love palette. And I think I'm going to go in with either this gold or this mauve shade. I think I'll go for the gold. That's usually what I go for. And my brush is actually broken, so I'm just going to use the metal piece so I don't have to deal with it falling off all the time. Now, this is a very pigmented shade, as you will see, so I'll just tap out the fallout, and then I will put it on. So yeah, that looks about right. Then I will go in with my e.l.f. Lash Extending Mascara. It's upside down, whoops. And then onto the last step, and that is brow gel. Brow gel is like an absolute statement piece. This is clear, so literally, like, my eyebrows, they need some taming sometimes. So I found a new hack, so I'm just gonna bring up the mirror. But if you brush your eyebrow hairs up, and then you just do it sideways like that, you end up getting that very trendy, like, kind of S-shaped eyebrow. And I was always trying to figure out how to do that, but then I saw this girl, Madeleine Pet, she did her makeup, and that's what she did. I'm like, that's genius. Like, I've been doing this for months and I still didn't know how to do that. So you should totally do that if you're trying to get the trendy S-shaped brow. Yeah, it works wonders. So that is my makeup routine. If I am going out for a party or something like that, I'll put on this Victoria's Secret lip gloss. I'll just do that so you can see what it would look like. I don't wear lipstick. It's the lipstick is just a step too far for me. So this lip gloss is very shimmery, kind of white. I don't know if you can tell if there's a difference on camera. It smells really good though. It's iced, so I'm assuming like an iced cupcake. But I got my best friend one, so we both have them. And I personally really like it. I don't know if she does, but yes, it's a very nice lip gloss. And then occasionally, this is very rarely, but sometimes I will take this white shade right here, and I'll just like dab that in my inner corner of my eye. But I haven't been doing that recently. Also, another thing that I might do is I'll take this shimmery black, I think you can see, and I'll just put that on this little pencil brush. I think it's a pencil brush, but then I'll just use that as eyeliner. And it works, but I don't do that all the time. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, comment, and share with your friends. We reached 10 subscribers, which means the world to me, and I know we can go further. So thank you.